November 22nd. I mean, November 26th. Here inside the condo at 2410 20th Street. And this is the state. This is the dishwasher. Just even after I've cleaned it. It just shows, I mean, nothing's been cleaned here. And then the pour faucet. I've already wiped it down, but it's still just a complete mess. These poor guys, how can they live like this? Kitchen floor. I cleaned the cat's water bowl. And then here's just an example. I know we get busy. No time to clean floors. But the floor is just really now in bad shape. A couple spots where the wood is gone.